Go ahead. Wait, let me turn on this light because that one isn't very. There you go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it keeps getting stuck there. We have a little leveling issue. Bam!
Wait, you need some support.
Tell us where you got this.
At the party store.
Yep. They're like $3, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, put some in the green. Put them on all three at the same time.
Okay. Oh, and Ma, I'm gonna need your help.
Okay.
1.
One? Dame más. Look, there's... Okay, ready?
Mom.
Matt's marble run.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, we have some leveling issues. We got stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Ponle más. I think we
I
do
got
need
it,
to do
Ma.
more at the same time.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it, Ma.
Okay. I think I need some more support down here.
Hey, one made it on. Look at this. Oh, mine made it on.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh.
Here's yours. Do yours.
Mhm.
This is Matt's. Matt built this one.
Mhm.
Oh, nice. You forgot your bottom piece.
Mhm.
This was your design, huh, buddy?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's do some more. But first, some raspberries. Go. This is Mama's design. Oh,